Pam is Pammi. Angela is Anjali. I can't even imagine how much Chadda, who is trying to be a copy of Michael Scott, it's really pathetic. वेलकम बैक टू चैनल एवरीवन, आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. सो अगर आपने ऑफिस यूएस या फिर ऑफिस यूके देखा है, देन प्लीज़ 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 डोंट इवन थिंक ऑफ वॉचिंग द ऑफिस इंडिया, बिकॉज it is an exact Xerox copy of the Office US. They have not even tried of making any kind of changes. Set is a Xerox copy. सारे characters are literally. So Mallika Dua और Gauhar Khan के अलावा, if it is like you are already knowing what is going to happen, and it is just like waiting to see how they are going to screw up differently. So the Office US is already an adapted version of the Office UK, but it happened a very long time ago in the US. So 15 years later, if you are trying to depict a show in India, if you are trying to make a remake of it, at least try to do some changes in it. Try to put some kind of creativity into it. They have literally copy pasted every scene, every dialogue, every name, every joke. Even there's a literal Hindi translation of even that's what she said. And that was like the point where I was like, bas ho gaya abhi. I don't want to watch it any further. But I'm not that kind of person. I have to finish if I've started watching that show. So that's why I have to go through season 1 and season 2. I don't even know that is season 3 aane wala hai ya nahi aane wala hai. Have they totally kind of scrapped that or not? I'm not even going to search for it. So it is available on Disney, and if you have seen the UK or the US version, then please don't watch this show. But अगर आपने नहीं देखा होगा, then you can definitely try thinking of watching this, because overall it is the same concept. या फिर overall it is kind of good things about the show. They have not taken the thing directly in any metro city like Mumbai or Delhi. They have started the plot in Faridabad, which makes sense, which is also again a kind of a copy, because US may it was in Scranton and not in any of New York or any LA or any big city as such. Season 1 में सबसे बड़ी disappointment है that there's no character of Kelly. Malika Dua is there directly in season 2, but the iconic Kelly slapped Michael in season 1, episode 1 or 2 about the Diversity Day. That slap has been done by the Oscar version of Office, but they have tried doing a lot of things from Indians' perspective, but you can't directly copy paste anything. Try to do something original, try to do something else than what you are adapting to, because even US, when it was adapted from the UK's version, they created their own Michael Scott. यहाँ पे this Chadda guy is just trying to copy Michael, or even Amit, who is playing Jim. He's even trying to copy Jim's expression, his iconic expressions. Pam and Jim, we know that eventually they are going to get together, but they don't have that spark. Angela and Dwight are slightly older than Dwight and Angela, and from the US, but they are also going to end up together. And I can't imagine these characters going ahead in the story and how they will play out, because there are so many things which are good in the Office. So rather than if you want to watch this show, you can just go to Amazon Prime, and if the Hindi audio is available, you might as well go there and watch in Hindi. The set is an exact Xerox copy. Even the characters, their backgrounds are slight of exact copies. So, and the best part about the show, which was The Office, it was a kind of a transition between technology, we can say. They were playing salesmen when the websites didn't exist. So I believe phoning and the calls were the only thing how sales is possible. But now everything is changed. Now everything is online. You go directly to the website and buy things and buy stuff. So making that kind of habitat in India and portraying and trying to portray all those characters exactly the way they were 15 years ago in America, it really doesn't make that much sense today. All thanks to Mallika and Gohar, at least those are a point which keeps you hooked to the show, or they are bringing some kind of extra life into the show. Not Gohar that much, but yes, Mallika is definitely one good thing about the show. सो बास्केटबॉल को कबड्डी से रिप्लेस करके, जूडो कराटे को कुश्ती से रिप्लेस करके, they don't make shows like this directly, and the audience which is going to relate to all these kind of situations is definitely not that part of portraying a kind of a remake of its original version. Try to keep things which are happening in day-to-day life, try to keep things which are more relatable in today's date. So when they kind of tried adapting the whole show, which was kind of shot 15 years ago in the US, definitely it is not going to relate that much. Jim's character is trying so much hard to just copy John, or even that Pummi's character is trying to copy a lot of Jenna, but it just doesn't fit if you have already watched The Office US or the UK. But just trying to see Michael Scott's character, or when you're watching the US, you can just watching how Steve Carell is trying to play Michael Scott, it just brings smile on your face, but it's gonna be very difficult while watching this show. So in a nutshell, if you haven't watched any version, even the US or the UK version, then it is good, you can try watching. But if you are an Office fan, then think at least twice or thrice before you have to start the show. So that is it for this video, guys. Do let me know what your thoughts are about The Office, and if you are an Office fan, and if you have already seen the US or the UK version, and if you have also seen this Hotstar thing, then do let me know your thoughts as well, because it is very hard for me to digest all these things which they are just trying to copy paste. And please do let me know what your thoughts are about a new kind of an adaptation, and if they would have adapted in a better way, what other industry that they might have taken, or what all they could have, they were having a scope of doing it in the latest in the Indian version as such. And thank you so much for watching until here. I do usually come up with content related to more digital art or song covers or TV show reviews, or I have started slight of animation. I am working on it, so probably a few animated videos you'll be able to see in the channel in the forthcoming days. And also do take care of yourselves during this pandemic. The lockdown has again started in Mumbai, and it's going to be for more 15-20 days, so I don't know what is going to happen now. So just do take care of yourselves, stay as much as indoor as it's possible. Just go outside only if it is absolutely necessary, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.